So let's go ahead and open our camera app. As you see, that's my setup. And if we want to cover that, there you go. Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video, I want to unbox this screen protector made by Kiwi Smart. So Kiwi Smart reached out to me and asked me if I want to review their screen protector. And to be honest, I get a couple of requests. I'm not that big that I can tell you that I get those requests daily, but sometimes I get some requests about reviewing some product, and most of the time I refuse those. Why? Because mostly I'm not satisfied with the product. But this product appealed to me because it's a screen protector. It has a cool feature that I'm gonna talk about in a second. I'm not paid by those guys. They just send me this screen protector to review it, and I'm not accepting any payment because I want to keep my reviews real and honest, transparent to you guys. So I'm not paid by these guys. They just send me the product and ask me if I'm gonna review that. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So what we have here is the box. Like I said, it's made by this company, Kiwi Smart. We have the box here that looks very clean. But let's go ahead and see what's inside. So inside the box, we have a user manual. And if we open that, it's pretty straight to the point. It tells you how to put your screen protector on the phone with clear instructions, like cleaning the screen, obviously, before putting that screen protector on it, and how to do that. I'll show you in a second exactly how to do that, and some customer service that they offer after you buying the screen protector. What's more in the box? Well, we have what seems to me a cloth that you can clean your screen with, a dock where you can put your phone just to manage to align that screen protector on top of your iPhone, and the actual screen protector. So let's go ahead and take a look to this screen protector. And to be honest, it looks very nice. It's a very sturdy screen protector. I haven't tested on a phone yet. I'm gonna show you in a second. I'm gonna demonstrate that in a second for you if this screen protector is actually sturdy as it seems to me. But just from my first impressions, I must say it's a very sturdy looking screen protector. It's well built. And I can tell you guys from experience, I've unboxed many screen protectors in the past. I've put those screen protectors on many iPhones in the past, and most of the time they are not this sturdy. So I had this one around from a company that shall stay unnamed. I'm not gonna name those company for you guys, but this is what you can get also. This, yeah, I'm not sure about this, but this is not the screen protector that I'm looking for. Why? Because if you drop your phone, chances are that you might break that screen if you have this kind of a screen protector. This, however, looks very sturdy. But this one comes also with an extra bonus, which is if you want to protect your privacy, you can toggle your front camera with this switch right here. Not sure if it's visible for you guys, but in a second I'll show you exactly how it works. But yeah, it is a cover, and you have a camera that may get hacked. I should say iOS is mostly secure, but sometimes, and I've seen that in the past, if you get malware installed on your iPhone without you noticing that that malware is in there, that hacker is capable of having a look through that camera. So yeah, that feature appealed to me very well. And the best part is that you still can unlock your iPhone even though that front camera is locked. Because as you may know, we have the remaining sensors that are still working, and those are not covered. So you still, in theory, you still can unlock your iPhone even though your front camera is covered. So let's go ahead and put this screen protector on an iPhone. So obviously you should use the accessory that comes with that screen protector. So let's use that. I advise to keep your screen on black. That way you know what you're doing and you know how that alignment goes. So before we do that, actually, we want to look inside, and actually what we have inside, I've just opened this package, and what we have inside is this sticker. What I think it's a wet cloth. So let's open it. The surface needs to be cleaned. If not, you may have those bubbles underneath your screen protector, and that's something that you don't want. So make sure to clean it very well. And as a finishing touch, you can use this sticker to remove all the remaining dust on your iPhone. So the iPhone's clean, it's well aligned. The only thing that we need to do is remove this screen protector and put it right there on your iPhone. So you need to start at top and go to the bottom. So you can just, and you need to be careful with this one because you want to have that cover aligned well with your front camera. So, and it's actually very simple. You just press that screen protector on against this dock here, and it falls right away. I haven't done anything. And as you see, it gets right into place. So that's a check also. If you want to install that screen protector on your iPhone, it's very easy to do, especially with the tools that you get with that screen protector. So that's definitely a plus if you would ask me. And our screen protector is on the iPhone. Just that easy. So the very important thing now is to check if that cover works well. So let's go ahead and open our camera app. As you see, that's my setup. And if we want to cover that, there you go. You've safeguarded your privacy just by a toggle of a button. Let's go ahead and see if it works if we toggle that toggle off. Let's say you want to make selfies and you want to toggle the toggle off. And there we have it. Toggle on, toggle off. That easy. Okay, so the most important part now, can you still unlock your iPhone with that toggle on? So let's go ahead and open that camera. Now the toggle is on or the toggle is off. Let's switch that cover to privacy mode. So our camera doesn't see anything now. And let's see if we still can unlock our iPhone just with Face ID with that toggle on. And as you see, it works like a charm. It's like I'm not having anything. If you want to make a selfie, you open your camera. Now you have the privacy mode on. You go ahead and toggle it off, and there you have your front camera. So the Face ID unlocking works. You still can unlock your iPhone with that toggle switch on, like I'm demonstrating here. But what about scratching resistance? So I have here a knife, and I just want to show you guys if this protector capable of protecting your screen from scratches, which is eventually what a screen protector is meant for. So let's go ahead and see. So like you see, I'm not scratching with this knife on my screen protector, and nothing happens actually. It feels very smooth. There are no scratches visible on the screen protector, which is a good sign, meaning that you can just put your phone in your bag. Even though that screen is made out of Gorilla Glass and all of that, but you still want to have a screen protector on it because you want to go for the longevity of that screen. So yeah, might as well put a screen protector on it. And as you see, I'm not pressing any force on it, obviously, but just those small scratches that over time will make your screen very ugly. That's what you are protecting your screen from. And even the screen protector is not getting scratched. So that's a plus as well. The final test I want to perform is just to see how responsive that is, even with the screen. Sometimes you put a screen protector on your iPhone and your phone doesn't react on your gestures. So let's go ahead and open a note block to see what happens if you type something, because those buttons are very small. And yeah, I have it on another language, so it's now detect some mistakes in there, but you're not giving up that as well. You can just use your iPhone without even noticing that there's a screen protector on it. It's that thin, but at the same time, it's very sturdy. Yeah, and I'm actually very happy with this screen protector. I definitely will recommend it to you guys, not because they send it to me especially, because if this screen protector was garbage, I would have said that. It's not. You can really trust me. I'll leave a link in the comment section below where you can buy this screen protector on Amazon. I believe they don't have it yet on Amazon. I looked on Amazon if there's any other screen protector with this front camera toggle, and there is none. I believe these guys are the only one that has this feature in a screen protector, which is very great. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel because it helps me a lot. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next video.